Greetings and welcome. Let us take a quiet breath together and settle into this moment. So many of us, in the quiet corners of our lives, feel a gentle pull, a yearning for something more. Yeah, a longing for a connection that runs deeper than the surface of our busy world. This seeking is a sacred impulse, a call from the soul to come home. Hmm. In our modern age, we often turn to technology for answers, to meditation apps that promise peace and clarity. But today, I invite you to reflect with me on a different kind of path. A path that asks not just for a moment of your time, but for a commitment of your heart. I've been reflecting on a text that describes a journey known as the Sirius Gate, and its message is, well, it's both profound and direct. Wow. It begins with a simple, powerful invitation. Stop wasting your time on superficial meditation apps. What does this mean for us as seekers? Well, it suggests that our goal should not be mere relaxation, but something far greater. The text speaks of a, quote, real and clear goal, spiritual purity and connection with the great cosmic mind. Right. Let us consider this. Spiritual purity isn't about being flawless. It is the gentle, steady clearing of the inner noise, that energetic dust that clouds our vision, so that our true essence can shine. And the great cosmic mind, that is the universal consciousness, right? The divine intelligence that flows through all of existence. The goal, then, is to come into harmony with the very source of life. This path, it doesn't offer calming music. Instead, it speaks of original divine chants, specifically designed for you and your daily spiritual development with precise celestial timings. Wow! Imagine a practice that is alive, that attunes itself to you and to the rhythm of the cosmos. This is a journey away from the random, the unstructured, into an integrated system, a path with defined stages that guide you, step by step, toward the peak of your own spiritual potential. The text encourages us to forget relaxation apps. It calls this a deep spiritual experience that requires readiness and commitment. And this perhaps is the heart of the matter, right? A true transformation asks something of us. It requires our sincere intention, our dedication. This is why it is described as a path not for everyone, but for those ready to embark on a deep and serious spiritual journey. It's an invitation to open the real stargates towards wisdom and the supermind. It speaks of receiving a unique divine mantra every day to cleanse your energy and raise your consciousness. Yeah, this is a profound departure from the static and repetitive. It suggests that our spiritual practice should be as dynamic as life itself. And most beautifully, it says, you don't need spiritual guides. The sky itself guides you. Pause. This points to the possibility of a direct, unmediated connection. It's an invitation to trust our own capacity to receive wisdom from the source, unfiltered by the consciousness of another. The message deepens as it compares this journey to what it calls spiritual fast food. It says traditional meditation apps equals fast food. Sirius Gate is a journey of spiritual fulfillment for life. It makes a promise that whoever reaches the final stage with us never returns as they were. The sky will encompass them with Sirius Star, the treasure of wisdom that does not perish. This is not a small claim. It is a call to step out of what it names the matrix of limited awareness and into cosmic consciousness. And to begin, it asks for a covenant with yourself, a happy heart, steel determination, and faith that divine giving is unlimited. The journey then is not powered by an app, but by the resolve and the love within your own heart. It even bridges the ancient with the modern, talking about changing your brain chemistry through practices that stimulate neuroplasticity, guiding the mind into the rare gamma state, a state of peak awareness and insight. It speaks of synchronization with the sky, not as a poetic slogan, but as divine mathematics, with meditation times precisely calculated to the movements of the stars to amplify their effect. This is a path for pioneers,
for those who wish to do more than simply calm their nerves for 20 minutes, but to become, as the text says, a new human. In the end, this isn't about one app versus another. It's a profound inquiry into the nature of our own spiritual hunger. It asks us to look within and ask ourselves what we are truly seeking. Is it a temporary comfort, a fleeting moment of peace? Or are we ready for a journey of total transformation? Are we willing to walk a path that demands our commitment, but promises to connect us to the infinite wisdom of the cosmos? The final words of the text are not a statement, but a question. It says this path is an illuminated map for consciousness unlike any humans have known since the time of the first sages. And then it asks, are you ready to be among the 0.1% who know the secret of existence? Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If the universe itself were to offer you a personal, direct line of communication, what would be the first question your heart would ask?